Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this soft messy bun on medium length fine hair. To start, I'm going to pop the hair into a ponytail and add some texture spray across the top of the head, and then gently use your fingers to pinch and pull for some more texture and volume. We're going to split this ponytail into 4 sections, so take your first section of hair, hold it near the top and then give it a couple of twists towards the head. So it makes a sort of loop, and then we're just going to secure this with a few bobby pins. Move on to the opposite side, take the same size section, grab it near the top and twist it a couple of times towards the head. Position it right next to the first one and again secure with a few pins. Split the remaining hair in half. Grab it with a couple of fingers near the top of the section and then twist it round a couple of times and then place it on the bun, slightly overlapping the first loops, and secure with as many bobby pins as needed. And we're just going to repeat it one last time, so take your section, hold the top and twist it a couple of times. Hold it to the bun, overlapping the above sections, and secure with a couple of pins. Use your fingers to gently pinch and pull every loop and twist of this bun apart. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.